guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, and kama kawaida, as usual, we give all the gratitude to this amazing God for blessing us with another beautiful day. Guys, today I'm so excited because it's a very special day to me, and I give all thanks by day to God for adding another +1 in my ears. I'm super excited, guys, and I just want to thank him for this far that he has brought me, for this far that he has brought this channel. Thank you guys for your support, for your continued support. So guys, before I even talk a lot, I want to give a shout out to Lillian Omongo. Thank you so much for joining Almax Kenya. Thank you for subscribing. And as I said, guys, anyone who subscribes, I'll be giving a random shout out to them. And shout out to all my subscribers, to those that we share the same birthday date. Shout out to you, and may God bless you and continue expanding your lifespan. And so guys, mkiona nimevaa hivi, that means we're going to be cooking yummy stuffs. And since it's my birthday today, guys, I want to cook cinnamon cupcakes. Yes, guys, we've been doing cakes for a while, and so today I decided to share with you my recipe of making cupcakes, and not just plain cupcakes, but cinnamon cupcakes. Hope you're going to enjoy this video. Hope you're going to learn something, and you can also give it a try back at your home or wherever you are. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell that is just right beside the subscription button, so that anytime I upload a video, guys, you will be the first to get it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, let's do this. Guys, I have sugar, which is 200 grams. I also have butter or margarine, the one whichever that you prefer. It is also 200 grams. I have two large eggs. I also have with me here my already sieved flour that I've mixed with some cinnamon powder, which is, I used 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I also added a little baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda or baking soda. And so this flour is self-raising flour. Whenever you want to bake, I'd recommend self-raising flour. And I also have with me my vanilla essence, just to give it some flavor, and this helps to remove the eggs, what do we call it, the egg smell or taste. Yeah, so this is very useful when you're baking. And with me, I'll be using water. If you are lactose intolerant, I got you guys, because our cupcakes today, we're going to be making them using water, not milk. But you can also switch it to milk. If you prefer milk, that's very okay. You can switch it, instead of using water, you can use milk. And here with me, I have my hand mixer, Ramtons. So this is what I've been using, and it's super good. So let's start, guys. I'm going to be beating this sugar and butter. So guys, you beat this until it becomes fluffy and turns to white. It's still yellow because of the butter that I used. So we beat it at a higher speed until it becomes fluffy. As you can see, it's fluffy. It's white and fluffy. So at this point is when you're going to be adding our vanilla essence. Half a tablespoon. Then we will be adding our eggs one by one. At this step, we're going to be adding our flour. Sorry guys, I didn't mention that our flour is 400 grams. And don't forget to sieve your flour. So we're going to be adding the flour gradually, bit by bit, as we stir with our spatula. If you don't have a spatula, a rubber spatula, you can use a cooking stick, mwiko. You fold in, don't just do anyhowly, you kind of fold in. When it feels hard, that's when you'll now add your milk or water. Cinnamon is a very nice flavor for cakes, so you can try it if you've never tried it. As you can see, our flour has started becoming a bit hard. So when we add this, let's add all of it. This is when now we add some water or milk to get to the consistency that you need. Cupcake batter should be light, not like the normal cakes. Should be a bit, should I call it light or small? Light, yeah. This is a type of palette knife, the one that I'm using. It's well to know your kitchen utensils. It's important. Still a bit heavy, so let's add more. Still add additional. So we've reached to a nice consistency. As you can see, our batter is so ready. and the aroma itself is so nice. Na bado haijaingia kwa oven. No wasting. Clear your spatula really nicely. Our tins are ready. I want to show you how we're going to be putting them in the cupcakes paper. These are our tins already. I have already placed the cupcake papers. Guys, let's preheat our oven before we put in our butter. So I'll be putting a temperature of around 170 there, and then this is how you adjust so that the oven can heat both at the top and at the bottom. And here is our timer. We'll give it roughly 30 minutes, but it's too long. We're going to adjust it later, so the timer doesn't really matter, but you can preheat it at around 10 to 15 minutes. So meanwhile, guys, we're going to be adding in our butter, and if you don't have the butter dispenser, we're going to be using a spoon. For me, I don't have it yet, so I'll be using a spoon. Just choose anything that you have, anything available. Don't go for many expenses. So let's get to it. This palette knife will help me a lot. So this is how I do it. You know it's not accurate, so you just check the one which looks a bit less and add some more butter. After we do this, we're going to heat it a bit down so that it can balance at the bottom. And then I'm going to just level it. So you level it. You do the same procedure to all the cupcakes. Guys, if you don't know where to get these tins at a good price, make sure to first support this channel by subscribing so that I can continue giving you more tips. And you can inbox me or DM me at my Instagram account at Makena3245. I'll give you the tips on where to get these at a very good, these tins and even these papers at an affordable price. Don't forget to subscribe, support this channel for more of these. Guys, our butter is so ready, and our oven also is hot, so I want to put them in to bake. Our butter, according to the amount that I baked, it's managed 24, because this one carries 12, this 12, so 24 pieces. Yeah, so let's put them to bake. I'll be using some oven gloves. These are oven gloves, guys. These ones. Since this oven is too hot, let's put the second one so that they can all bake together. These are very important tools for bakers, or are they called bakers? And now we close it, add some time. We're going to bake for 30 minutes. Yeah, everything else is okay, so you just adjust the time. So guys, 30 minutes are over and our cakes are ready. So let's remove them. They look so yummy, well baked. So let's give them some time to cool. So focus, Jubas. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. That was our cinnamon cake recipe. As you can see, kuna hii nimeshikilia kuna cream ina melt. Tamu tu inateremka. Hizo zingine za cream bedhe zishashambuliwa, zimekuliwa. As you know, I told you it's my birthday. And don't forget, birthday guys, to wish me a happy birthday. Make sure you leave a comment down below for me. Tell me if you enjoyed or learned something through the video. And for these cupcakes, I wish I could be able to share, but too bad. Go try the recipe and taste your cakes. So for now, guys, it's a wrap. Until next time, it has been your girl. Bye bye.